Rolling. Action.
I'm Stacey McCracken and this is editing. The reason films are edited is to separate relevant scenes into one collection. This collection is then joined to a scene with seamless strings. This then only presents the impacting and relevant portions of a film. Another main reason is just to create an atmosphere or a mood for the audience and to tell a story to me. Basically, it's just to take raw footage and turn it into something the audience can understand. Wrong voice. Right. Film development really began in 1899 when the cinematographic was invented. This device was the first device to ever record, take photos and project moving images. After it was created, different editing equipment was also produced and introduced to the public. The TBC, which is time-based correctors, is an example of this type of equipment. Eventually, as years passed, more equipment was invented to make editing films more easy for the editor, and software can now be used to help, such as Adobe. There are many different editing techniques that can be used to edit a film or movie. Invisible editing is an example. It's where it is so unnoticeable that the audience do not notice it whatsoever and therefore become interested in the movie itself. Subliminal cut is a cut that happens every couple of frames and it's unnoticeable, but the audience do notice it subconsciously. And overlapping cut is really just a cut that happens every couple of scenes. It makes the movie or film longer. Pace is really the speed of a movie. It affects the audience opinion on the actual film. Pace is how fast or slow the film is going. For example, a death of a character or a dramatic scene would have slow pace to add dramatic feeling, whereas an action fighting scene would have a fast pace. Visual language is when editors cut bits and pieces of footage to create a silent movie that the audience can understand and follow, though there isn't any dialogue. A great example is The Great Train Robbery. It is a silent film of a train being robbed, but it has no dialogue whatsoever. However, the audience can follow the story without the dialogue. Formats, there are many different, which some include screen ratio, which is obviously a type of format. This is the ratio of the height, width and shape of the cuts being taken from the footage. There's also high definition, which is more regular in horizontal lines. This makes the video a higher standard than other videos. Editing software, there's loads of editing software for digital videos. Really, it's just Vegas Pro Styling creative software, or there's Apple iMovie Apple. There's Windows Live Movie Maker, which is Microsoft. And that is all, thank you.